Hello.
Yes, Samir. Samir, what about the initial load, Samir?
Initial load is nothing but
Or
full load. The first load, where all
okay.
the records will be updated. So yesterday we have done already incremental loading.
Yes, incremental we have done, but I'm asking about initial load. Initial load
Initial
means the
load
record.
and the that is nothing but the full load.
That also it will be stored in the LPVB table. It's like watermark table.
Yeah, obviously, no.
Okay.
This is
Okay, sir.
load. Okay. Okay. So now the next topic. So now, what is the next topic? So guys, today we'll start with the mm.
Samir,
So
like a
okay.
set variable and abandon variable.
Uh,
What about set variable, Samir?
Set variable.
Yeah, that it's not covered right till now.
It will come, no worries.
Okay, done.
It will come in some or the other thing, okay?
Okay,
Almost all everything will be covered, no worries on that.
okay.
Okay, so okay.
So, are you going to cover ACD, CDC, and all those things as well?
Yeah, definitely. Slowly changing dimensions, no?
Yes, slowly changing dimension and change data capture.
Mm. Definitely we'll cover all this. No worries on that. You also have completed already?
Which one,
Hello?
Samir? Which one?
Key vault, Key vault we have completed.
Okay, so
AZURE
now,
vault, yeah.
okay, so now Vault Windows. So today's topic will start. Who's this, Thiru? Hello?
Hello,
Yeah, who's this, Thiru?
Tirmal.
Thirumal. I
Yeah.
think I would have not allowed you in this batch, okay? Should not message you. What is this?
అవును
Are you
సార్
not
మేము
from this batch?
6:30కి వచ్చినాము ఇంతవరకు అసలు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లేదు ఏం లేదు వెయిట్ చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాము మరి
నేను
మెసేజెస్
ఏదైనా నాన్సెన్స్ మెసేజ్ పంపిస్తా ఉంటాను. వాట్ యు
ఏంటండి
థింక్ ఆఫ్ అది వేస్ట్ ఇది వేస్ట్ అని ఏంటది? నేను ఇంతకుముందు కూడా చూసిన చాలాసార్లు నేను. షుడ్ బి
అవును
లిమిట్
సార్
వెన్ యూఆర్
ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్
స్టూడెంట్.
ఇవ్వరు కదా సార్
అసలు
మీరు
నీకు అలౌ
లేట్గా జాయిన్
చేయకూడదు.
అవుతారు
నువ్వు
లేట్గా
ఈ
జాయిన్
బ్యాచ్
అవుతారు
కాదే
మేము
కాదు
వేరే
కదా.
వర్క్స్ చూసుకుంటాం కదా
అసలు నువ్వు ఈ బ్యాచ్ కానే కాదు, నీకు అలౌ చేయొద్దు అసలు. నా తప్పు ఇది యాక్చువల్గా, ఓకేనా? అది నా తప్పు, నీకు అలౌ చేయకూడదు అసలు. నేను అలౌ చేసిన
అవునండి
కదా
మీరు ఆ
నేను.
బ్యాచ్ కంప్లీట్ చేయలేదు కదా అది
అవును, బ్యాచ్ చేయాలి. అసలు నీకు అలౌ చేయకూడదు. ఏదో ఉంటే అక్కడ మాట్లాడుకొని చెప్పాలి. ఓ ఈ అలౌ చేసి ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది చూడండి మీరు. ఒక
అది బ్యాచ్
డిసిప్లిన్
కంప్లీట్ అయింది మొత్తం సిలబస్ అక్కడ కవర్ చేశారా మీరు చెప్పండి
ఏమన్నా
మా బ్యాచ్లో సిలబస్ మొత్తం కవర్ చేశారా మీరే నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి అని చెప్పారు
100% ఏ బ్యాచ్ అయితే ఆ బ్యాచ్ కవర్ అవుతుంది భయ్యా. అర్థమైందా? షుడ్ మెయింటైన్ ద డిగ్నిటీ ఆఫ్ ద క్లాస్ రూమ్. మీకు ఏదన్నా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏదైనా మాట్లాడితే దట్స్ నాట్ ద వే, ఓకే? షుడ్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇట్. అప్పుడే చదువు వస్తుంది, అర్థమైందా? లేకపోతే రాదు భయ్యా. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి.
అవును సార్ మేము డైలీ వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం మీరే చెప్పండి
నా
ఎన్ని
కన్స్టెంట్స్
మాటలు
నాకు
ఇలానే
ఉంటాయి భయ్యా.
ఉంటుంది
ఆ కన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి మీకు. నేను మీకు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నేను దుర్గా సఫర్ చెప్పుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నేను చెప్పినా కదా ఒకసారి. ఉంటుంది మంచి నాకు నేను కూడా రెడీ చేసిన ఇంతకుముందు. నువ్వు ఏదైనా పెడితే అలా చేయకూడదు ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ టైం నీకు చెప్పేది, నెక్స్ట్ టైం నేను అలౌ చేయను. అది గ్రూప్లో కూడా ఏదేదో పెట్టేస్తాను అసలు అలౌ అందరు తీసి పడేస్తా దాంట్లో. మరి ప్లీజ్ మెయింటైన్ డిగ్నిటీ. Should maintain dignity and you should just give respect to your teacher. Exit. Okay. Anyways, guys, so we'll start with the on-premises. So, guys, the case study is about the case study. The case study. Okay, guys. So that case study, title of the case study. So, guys, the case study title is. Let's go ahead with the title of the case study. So, guys, let us say on-premises. Or we can say on-premise SQL server. Guys, this is a very important topic. On-premise SQL server to cloud. On-premises SQL server to the cloud. Okay. Source data store as on-premise. Guys, everyone, I'm writing the specifications of the day. Okay. Specifications. Source data store is on-premise SQL server, that is on-premise SQL server. And the sync data store, guys, all of you, sync data storage ADLS Gen 2. Okay. Sync data storage is what? ADLS Gen 2. So, guys, on-premises SQL server. So, tell me now, what do you mean by on-premises system? Please, everyone.
The database which is in local system.
Yeah, that is nothing but the data which is available in a local PC is called as on-premises. Okay, that means, for example, for example, guys, I'm just taking you to my desktop. Can you see here, all of you? These are the files, some customer file is there. Can you see here? Open this. So this is local system or local, or it's a cloud?
It's local.
It's local. That means, what is it? What do you mean by local? That means this is directly accessible only by me, not by all of you. Now you are seeing it because I'm sharing the screen, but you cannot access this file even if you see this. Am I right? So whereas this is nothing but the local to my PC. So if at all I want this to be accessed by every one of you, if the same is, what is that? If the same is accessed by every one of you, okay, if every one of you, then I can put the same into the Google Drive. That means the Google Drive will become a cloud. Am I right? And from there, all of you can access the file. Am I right? So whereas this is the difference you have between the on-premises and what is that? Cloud environment. On-premises and what is that? Cloud environment. On-premises and what? Cloud environment. Okay, guys? Hello?
It's Samir.
Yeah, what about rest of you? I want an answer, ma, please.
Yes, Samir. Yeah.
And now, okay, so the next one is when you talk about the on-premises SQL server, Means what? See, if the SQL server is locally installed in your PC, then it's fine. If the SQL server is installed in your PC, then it's fine, no problem at all. You can use that one as a on-premises. So just a minute, I can say Oracle. I think okay, Oracle 11G. Okay, no, it's not there. Okay, so if the SQL server is locally installed in your PC, then it's fine. If it is not installed in your PC locally, if it is not installed in your PC locally, guys, at that time, what happens? If it is not installed locally in your PC, then you can go with the installation of the same on a virtual machine. On what is that? Virtual machine. So virtual machine is equivalent to the on-premises SQL server. Getting my point? Okay.
Yes.
So now, guys, so did you get what do you mean by virtual machine, guys? Any idea? Hmm?
It's like saying like remote desktop.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone, did you get it, or you want some example, ma? Please tell me. Virtual machine is nothing but in your mobile phone. If you want to run two WhatsApp, what you will do? Hello?
We will use clone.
Wow, very good. There are apps, some apps called cloning. Am I right?
Yes.
So by using those apps, you can install. You can use two numbers. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Multiple accounts. You have a multiple accounts to be maintained in a that is nothing but multiple WhatsApp accounts whenever you wanted to use in your mobile phone. At that time, what will you do? Please tell me. Yes, at that time, what will you do?
We will clone and we will use.
Yes, that is nothing but we will install the multiple apps account and run the same. Am I right? Okay. So whereas this is the thing we have it. So when we talk about the virtual machine, the virtual machine is also a parallel, okay, desktop installed, a parallel desktop installed on the cloud environment. A parallel desktop installed on the cloud environment is called as a virtual machine. Okay. So when if the SQL server is available in your PC, no problem, guys. Directly you can take on premises, no problem. If now, but I don't have installed right now the SQL server software available. Okay, even I don't have the SQL server software available installed in my PC. So hence I'm going for what? Hence I'm going for what? Tell me now. Hence I'm going for a virtual machine. Hence I'm going it for a virtual
Virtual.
machine. Okay, that's it. Else I'm going it for a virtual machine. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this. So guys, I'm just giving you, I've already given you the specifications. It is on-premises is on-premises SQL server. That is the virtual machine. And ADLS Gen 2 means what? Now, and you want to, okay, on-premises SQL server. That means from on-premises SQL server virtual machine, you're transferring the data to the ADLS Gen 2. Okay, am I right? So let's go ahead
Yes.
with this. So anyways, you can transfer any the data that's different. Whatever it may be the amount of data you want, you can just I'd go ahead with that. Okay. So just a minute. So I'm starting up with this. So now guys, 1 minute. Okay, sorry guys. So let's begin here. So now what we will do is we'll start with the on-premises SQL server to the ADLS Gen 2. So for starting up with this, guys, this is a most, lengthy exercise and a good amount of thing you can get it here on this. So for that, first of all, start. So now tell me, this is your source or not, everyone? This is your
That's
source.
so.
And this is your target. That means your source is on-premises and your cloud is, what is that? Cloud. Am I right? So let's go ahead. I don't have SQL Server installed in my PC. So now again, go ahead with this. First of all, you will not find it anything here. So at that time, just put the control here and type it here, virtual machine. Virtual machine. Okay. Virtual machine. So just can you see here? Type here virtual machine. It's there, guys, everyone. Please
Yes, sir.
open
Yes,
this.
Samir.
Sorry. Virtual machine. Open this virtual machine. Virtual machine. This is called as a virtual machine. So make sure on a virtual machine you can install any software, not only the SQL server. You can also install any kind of a software. Okay, that is nothing but Oracle. You can install it. Anything, whichever you feel like, you can install that. That is the beauty of the virtual machine. Getting my point? A parallel machine will be created. Apart from this, a parallel desktop will be assigned to you. Okay. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, yes, sir.
What is virtual machine is clear now?
Yes, Samir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's to begin with this. So click on the create. Click on the create. Click on the create, guys. You are left to blade. This is called the blade, guys, everyone. Okay.
Yes.
So click on the create blade. Click on the virtual machine. Click on what is that?
Virtual
Virtual machine.
machine.
So, guys, everyone understood now? Shall I start the practicals directly here?
Yes,
Or any
Samir.
more explanation is required?
No, sir. You can start.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
So now here you have what's that? Virtual machine is there. So click on this virtual machine. Select the create blade. Click on the virtual machine. Now it's preparing to start the virtual machine. That's it. Okay, now guys, create a resource group. See, I forgot to create the resource group. At that time, is it possible for us to create it? In fact,
Yes.
at any point of time, we can create it, but without the resource group, we can't move further. It's the initial and it's a essential step, you can say. Okay, so I'm using on-premise, on-prem, SQL server to, what is that? ADLS Gen 2 RG. Okay, guys, click OK. And now provide the name of the virtual machine. So I'm giving the name of the virtual machine as Durga admin. Virtual machine name I'm giving as Durga admin only. Okay.
Okay.
All of you see, just concentrate. Virtual machine name I'm giving Durga Durga admin. Now, guys, the next one is, what is it you wanted to install? Can you remember? Do you remember it?
SQL server.
Very good. SQL server. So from the images, you have it. Select the C images. Click on the C images. And here you can select it, which software you wanted.
If we select from here, it will directly install in the virtual machine. Sir.
Yes.
Okay, then we can practice Linux also, right? Ubuntu.
Yeah. So here, come down. Now guys, here you can install any software. Can you see it? These are all the things you have required. If you want a specific one, you can type into the, can you see it? Can you see it? You can type it here. What is that? You can type it here as a SQL server, SQL. SQL server. That's it. Okay. Just a minute. It will come, no problem. Various versions of SQL server will be getting it. But can you see here? I'm having this version. Select the version. I want to use 2022. So I want, what is that? Standard 2022 on Windows Server. That's it. It's installed. Okay. Guys, everyone, please respond, ma.
Yes, Samir.
Yes, Samir.
And for this SQL server, we require the username and password. Am I right? So here is the username and password. So here I'm giving the username also Durga admin. And the password also I'm using the same capital as Samir 1234. Capital as Samir 1234 password. It should give 1234 56. I will give it. Okay. Samir 123456. Here also I'll give it 56. Fine now. Okay. Capital as Samir 123456. Okay. That's it, guys. This is done now. See, all the values you have set now. So go and check here. In the disk, something is required. No. In the networking tab, you require? No. In the management, you require? No. Monitoring, you require? No. Advanced, you require? No. SQL Server, you require? Yes. SQL Server authentication is disabled right now, but authenticated, enable it. Enabled. See, Durga admin is there or not? Can you see here, guys? Hello.
Yes, Samir. Yes, Samir.
Now mention the password. I'm retyping it password again. What is my password? Capital S Samir 123456. Am I right? Yeah, guys,
Yes.
please. That's it now. Tags, review, and create. That's it. Finished. This will take some time. So you have to leave it onto its destiny to create. Just wait more, everyone. Yeah. See, it's creating, guys. Now next one is, and once the source is being prepared, leave it as it is. So I'm starting up with the, first of all, source, and then you have to create a target. Na? What is my target, guys? Can you tell me?
ADLS Gen 2.
Very good. So ADLS Gen 2. So just click on the create storage account. Click on the create. Sorry. And now, guys, select the resource group. So use it here. What is the name? Any name you can give it, but I'm using the sync Gen 2 copy data from SQL. This is the name. Okay. Gen 2 copy data from SQL. Okay. Sync
Yes.
Gen 2 copy data from SQL. That means to just to have you, you should have clear idea what I'm doing it right now. I'm just giving that name. Okay. So guys, just come down, everyone, and now select the enable hierarchical namespace. Why? Because you wanted to make this as a Gen 2. Okay. Click on the review. Click on the create. That's it, guys. So the target is ready. Anyways, it will prepare. So see, meanwhile, the source is ready or not? Still creating. This will take some time anyways, no problem. Meanwhile, I will create the ADF also. Because the services only, it will take some time. Ma. Rest of all, it won't take some time. Okay. So open this portal.azure.com. So now here what we will do is, okay. Okay. So let's just start with the ADF. So just to open this. Click on the create. Use this and now give it here. Okay. So I'm using instance copy data from what is it? SQL server to Gen 2. That's it. Okay, guys. Is it clear?
Yes, Samir.
This is the instance. That means using this, I'm going to perform this process. Click on the review. Click on the create. So the virtual machine is still creating. Just refresh this. And now this is ready. Open this. Okay, use the output. I'm using the output. That's it. Click on the create. open this. Now guys, can you see the output container is ready? Now here there is nothing but the data factory is also ready. See here everyone. Just have a look on this one.
Yes.
So launch it, launch the workspace, or sorry, launch the data factory. You have it. So click on the expand tab. Click on the expand tab, and now click on the manage. Click on the manage. Okay, click on the expand tab, click on the manage, and now guys click on the
In service.
link service. But for creating the link service, you require the virtual machine and even the this is ready anyways, no problem. If you want to, I'll create it. If you want, I will create it for this. Okay. Okay, leave it as it is. We'll create a test stretch. Okay. First of all, we'll complete the job here. So guys, the virtual machine is ready. Everyone, see here.
Yes,
You have a lot
Yes,
of things
Samir.
to do here. In the virtual machine, you have to do a lot of things. It's not over yet. Okay. So just go to resource now. So this is the virtual private network. So this is a virtual machine. Now using this, you have to connect. You have to connect. So click on the connect. So just a minute, go to this. Go to this now. So click on the connect. Connect. Okay. So connect using a public endpoint or private endpoint. So let us make it as a public endpoint. Okay, that's it. So select the native RDP file. RDP means what? RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol. It stands for what? Remote Desktop Protocol. Okay, guys, everyone.
Yes.
Remote Desktop Protocol. So just click on this, select. Okay. Now, guys, here download RDP file. Select what is that? Can you see here? Download RDP file.
Yeah.
Click on download RDP file. It's downloading. See here. Okay. So click on the connect. The file is downloaded. Click on the connect. Now, guys, you have to give it here the username and password. What is the username and password you have to use it? Can you tell me, guys? Somebody?
Durga admin.
Very good. Durga admin. Password? Samir
Samir 12345.
56. That's it. Connected. See, click on yes. See here. See, guys, everyone, see here. The virtual machine is ready here.
Yeah.
Yes, Samir.
It's preparing. Okay. So that's it, guys. Here, this is the virtual machine. This is ready. So now after this, okay, after this, everyone, see here. Click on yes. 2 minutes. And now, guys, here click on the local server. These are the optional settings. If you want, you can use it, or else you can leave it as it is. And here you can say IE enhanced security configuration. Click on this and switch it off. Why? Because the regular pop-ups will not come here. That's it. Okay. So that's it, guys. Close it now. This is not required. This is a virtual machine. Now, your virtual machine means what? Your on-premises connected, or you are a cloud right now into? Please. Hello?
This is on-premises.
On-premises. Whenever you wanted to connect from on-premises, whenever you wanted to connect it from on-premises, okay. Whenever you wanted to connect it from on-premises to, what is that? Whenever you wanted to connect it to from the on-premises to what is that? Cloud network. Integration runtime is okay. IR, integration runtime. Which integration runtime is required? Tell me now. Azure IR. Generally, if you are connecting from cloud to cloud, Azure IR is going to work. Am I right or not, everyone?
Yes, Samir.
So when you have cloud to what is that? On-premises to cloud, then what happens here? Yes?
Self-hosted IR.
Huh?
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. You can use self-hosted, yeah.
Yes, self-hosted IR.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you have to use what's that? Self-hosted.
Samir, now in this virtual machine, we need to install like Oracle, like
On the virtual machine only you have to install it.
okay, we need to install Oracle or SQL Server, what we require.
Already it is installed. We have just not done now. It is installed already.
Okay, now if we require like Oracle, then we need to go from the first step or directly we can install here in this virtual machine.
We have to go with the first step only. At that time, we have to select it.
Okay.
Because we'll not get that copy image, part. First of all, you have to create the virtual machine, then you have to go to the copy. Then in that, we have to search for Oracle and try to get it.
Yes. Okay. So there's the thing we have it. So now, guys, first of all, we have to start with the Azure self-hosted IR. because IR is mandatory. Okay. So this is okay, done now. Click on close. Everything is fine. Go to this one. Now, so far you have to create the link service now. Now, first of all, I will create the integration runtime. Can you see here? Click on the new integration. Let's see. Azure auto resolve integration runtime means what? With every initialization of the process, Azure IR is created. Am I right or not, everyone?
Yes, Samir.
With every initialization of the process, Azure IR is created. But now I don't need this Azure IR anymore because I have to get the data from the on-premises system. Whenever you require to get the data from the on-premises system to the cloud environment, at that time we have to use an integration runtime called self-hosted IR. Click on this new and now select the Azure self-hosted integration runtime.
Okay.
And use self-hosted integration runtime. And now open this. I'm giving any name you can give it, but I'm giving a sensible name called self-hosted IR. Self-hosted IR. Okay. So I'm giving the name as what? Self-hosted IR. Click on the create. Click on the create. And now guys, copy any of the key here. First key, second key, you copy it. Okay. Copy it and close it also. But it's not running. Can you see here? It's running here, everyone.
No.
See here, everyone. It's running or not? No, it's not running. That means it's not available. Am I right?
Yes.
It will run only when you install it here. So just it's ready. So you have to install the same self-hosted IR onto the on-premises system. So for that, just type it here. Internet Explorer. All of you. Internet Explorer. Open this. So click OK. That's it. Now, guys, just type it here. Just type it here, everyone. You have to type it here. What? Download self-hosted integration runtime. So start without data. Okay, no problem. These are some things we have it. This is the official, guys, everyone. Download self-hosted integration runtime. So there is nothing pirated here, guys. Everything is okay, genuine. Okay. So am I right? So click on this
Yes.
one. Run this. Click on the download. Select the latest version. I want this. The first one will be the always latest. Select this first one. Download it.
Samir, if it's in our local system, we need to follow the same step.
Yes.
Okay.
Is it downloading it from the internet now?
Yeah. That's why I'm asking, because you are doing in virtual machine, right? In our local system also, we need to do the same.
Yes.
Okay.
So downloading is done. Where it has gone? Downloading. Okay, run this. See here, guys, everyone preparing to install. Just click on this. Click on the next. Select the licensing agreement. Click on the next. Next. Install. So this will take a minute time for installation. Just wait. I'll be back. Okay, so guys, it's completed. So let us click on the finished here. Are you there, everyone? So click on the
Yes,
finish.
Samir.
It's ready now. Okay. And now paste the key, whatever I have copied from there. Just paste it. Register. Now this will take some time. Finished. Now this will take some time for registering.
Samir, from where do you copy paste this authentication key?
Huh?
From where do you paste this authentication key?
Just now copied it from this ADF now.
ODF. Okay.
ADF.
Okay. Thank you.
See, I have copied this. Here you'll get it. Self-hosted IR. This key 1, key 2 copied. Okay.
We can copy any one key, right, Samir?
Any key.
It will be both the same, yeah, there will be any difference, Samir?
There will be difference, but both will work.
Both it will the same. Okay.
See here, everyone. Has been successfully registered. Okay. Now close it. That's it. Again, finished. That's it. Okay. Close even this one. Okay. Even this you can close it, everything. Now just go here. Now cancel this. Now refresh it once. See, now it will be running successfully. After registering, it's running successfully. Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
Samir.
Now the virtual machine is ready. Fine, everyone. So then afterwards, so go to the output. And now, okay, here you have it. virtual machine. Now guys, go and install here SSMS. Go and install what's it? SSMS, which stands for SQL Server Management Studio. Open this. You have to download and install SQL Server Management Studio. This is free of cost, guys. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Download the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, now give the name. So use the authentication SQL login. Now provide this Durga admin. Virtual machine name, username, I'm using it as Durga admin only. Okay.
Yes.
Password, the same thing. Samir 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connected. Connected, guys. See here.
Yes.
Click on the new query editor. Now, guys, create database. I'm giving EMP info. That's it. Semicolon. Run this. It's created successfully. To use it, you have to use a command called use EMPNO or EMP information. Run this successfully. So from now onwards, whatever the tables you're going to create, it will store in this database. Okay. Yes, guys, please say something.
So, sir,
Yes, sir.
can you please come again? What are the tables we save here?
No tables. There is
Okay.
no tables I've created. I mean to say, whatever the tables I'm going to create it from now,
Okay, in this database.
it
Yes.
will be stored in this database. So now what is a table? I have some script already. I will get the script here.
So your integration means it's a trigger, right?
Hmm?
It's a trigger integration runtime.
It's it's a type of a trigger only.
Okay.
So select it here. The script you have already created. Pre-written scripts is there. Just to save the time I have made it. Paste it here. Now run this. Execute it. And now guys, execute this one.
You
What is
have
the
missed,
problem?
yes. Yes,
Huh?
missed. Yes, you have missed.
No, creating the
Please copy all the select statements, Samir.
Actually, while running the query, like select start from employees, you missed out the S part.
Okay. Object name,
Somewhere.
the database.
No.
Yeah, now select the
Table
selection.
is already created. Table is already created, Samir. Just run this query, select start from employees.
Yeah. No, now was yeah.
Fine. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now your table is ready here on premises system. The on premises system is completely ready now. Leave it as it is. Come down. Go to the ADF. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be back 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay, now let's begin with the link services. As we same process here. First link service, you have to create it for what? Tell me now. The first link service, you have to create it for what?
SQL Server.
SQL Server. But the SQL Server is on premises, am I right?
On-premise virtual machine.
So how to make it? You have to create it for virtual machine or SQL Server?
Virtual machine.
For virtual machine.
No, for SQL Server you have to create it. It will automatically take because integration runtime we have already installed it. Am I right? So just type SQL Server. This is the on-premise SQL Server logo. Remember everyone. Okay. Now give it here. Name. Any name if you want, you can just give it here. ls underscore SQL Server. ls underscore SQL Server underscore on-prem underscore source. Now it's clear. Am I right? So now, guys, server name. What is the server name? Somebody?
Durga.
Yes, the server name is nothing but your virtual machine name.
Virtual machine name.
Yeah, this will become your server name. Okay. Paste it here. Database. What is your database name? Employee.
Employee info. EMP.
Yes, select this EMP info. Come back. That's it. Authentication.
Username of Durga admin.
Durga admin. And the password, capital S, Samir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Test it now.
I think we need to change the integration runtime, right?
Yes, that's the problem. Select it here. Select the self-hosted IR. Now test it once more. Successful, okay? Click on the create. That's it, guys. The first link service is ready now. Second link service. Open this. And now use it here. What is it? ADLS Gen 2, na? Gen 2. Select the
Yes.
Gen 2. And now give the name here. ls underscore ADLS underscore gen2 underscore sync. Now select it here. Select this account name. This auto resolve integration will do here. Or else, even if you want, you can use this self-hosted also. Self-hosted works for both on-premises as well as cloud. Cloud to cloud as well as on-premises to cloud. Both it will work. So I can use it whatever you want. What do you want? Self-hosted or auto resolve? Yes, guys.
Once use self-hosted, sir.
Okay, let it be self-hosted. Successful. Click on the create. That's it, guys. Now the part of development, rest of the part is the similar. Go to the author. Select the data set. And now, first of all, SQL server is server data set you have to create it. DS underscore SQL server underscore on-prem underscore source. Some name of the data set, that's it. Select the link service. There is a table. There is a table. dbo.employees. Okay, click on OK. If you want, you can write customize SQL query also. Okay. But I don't want anyways. So again, next one. Click on the new. And now use it here.
Gen2.
Gen2. Select it here. CSV file. I want to save it in the CSV file. Now give the name here. DS underscore ADLS underscore gen2 underscore sync. Select it here. Browse. Output. That's it. Nothing is there. Anyways, click on OK. The data set is ready, guys. Go to the pipeline. Now use it here. PL underscore on-prem to gen2. Move and transform. Drag and drop the copy activity. Select the source. Select the source data set. Yes, guys.
Yes.
Select the sync. Select the sync data set. That's it. Fine now. If you want from TXT, you can change it to CSV. That's it. Finished. Nothing else, guys. Debug now. Succeeded. Now go to the sync system. Refresh this. Got it, everyone? Open this. Click on Edit. No, you got the data. Okay, everyone, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how we can make out the things, guys.
That means
Clear,
if we
everyone?
do if we do any update in the employee table, the same data will be reflect here.
Yes.
Okay.
For that, you have to again run the pipeline.
Yeah, we have to run execute the pipeline.
Yeah, pipeline has to be rerun.
Okay, again we need to run the.
That's the concept of incremental loading, no?
Yes, got it.
Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. So with this, we have completed this one. Tomorrow we'll see the another topic. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Tomorrow
Samir,
we'll see.
here we are having a less amount of data. In this case, this is working. In case if you are having huge data like crores and crores of records, how we need to manage?
Manage in the sense at the time of copying or what?
Yes.
See, if you have a very large and massive amount of data, then you have to start even the clusters for this. For fast processing. That I will show you it in next example. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll show you. Don't worry on that. Any
Yeah,
other questions? If you have, you can ask me, please.
nothing. Actually, we have selected self-hosted IR, right? And we haven't selected what IR we have created. How it has been picked internally.
We have selected now.
No, we have selected only self-hosted IR, but I think we haven't selected the IR that we have created, right?
That is the only name I have given, na?
Okay. Okay,
That's the name
fine.
I have given. That is the name I have given. Just a minute. Just a minute. 1 minute. Go to this manage integration runtime. I have given this as a name now.
Okay.
The
Sorry.
name it itself I have given self-hosted IR.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys. So we'll meet tomorrow morning, the same time. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.